In Islam, Jannah, commonly known as heaven, is the ultimate reward for those who lead a righteous life, filled with faith, patience, and devotion to Allah. It's a place beyond human imagination, filled with blessings and joy that no eye has seen and no heart has felt. The Quran and Hadith provide us glimpses into what Jannah holds for the believers. But did you know that paradise is divided into different levels? Each level has its own unique rewards, reserved for believers based on their faith and deeds. Level 1, Jannah AlMawa. The first level of Jannah is Jannah AlMawa, known as the Garden of Refuge. This is where the righteous find rest after enduring life's trials. The Quran mentions this level, referring to it as a place of peace for those who have lived their lives with faith. Here, the martyrs, the steadfast believers, and those who sacrificed for the sake of Allah will find eternal comfort. It is said to be filled with lush gardens and beautiful rivers where the souls of the righteous will dwell in eternal happiness. Level 2, Jannat Al-Adhan. Moving to the next level, Jannat Al-Adhan, or the Garden of Eternity. This level is promised to those who maintain their devotion and perform righteous deeds consistently. Surah At-Tawbah mentions that Jannat Al-Adhan is reserved for the believers who obey Allah and His Messenger. The residents here will be rewarded with palaces made of gold, rivers of milk and honey, and garments adorned with pearls. Their hearts will be free from any sorrow or hatred, and they will live in perfect harmony. This level is a testament to eternal joy, where believers will have whatever they desire. Level 3, Jannat An-Naim. Jannat An-Naim, the Garden of Bliss, is the third level. Those who excel in faith, charity, and good deeds are welcomed here. According to Surah Al-Ma'idah, this is a place where the believers are surrounded by endless beauty and comfort. The people of Jannat An-Naim will experience rivers flowing beneath their feet, abundant fruits, and palaces beyond anything that can be found on earth. This level is for those who dedicated their lives to seeking Allah's pleasure, leaving behind worldly temptations. Level 4, Daral Salam. The fourth level is Daral Salam, the abode of peace. Surah Yunus describes this place as a realm of complete peace, where the righteous are greeted by angels with the words, "Peace be upon you, for you were patient." The believers here will experience a life free from pain, suffering, or conflict. There will be no envy, jealousy, or hatred, only everlasting peace. The rewards here are not just physical comforts, but also spiritual contentment, where every soul is at rest. Level 5, Dar Alakir. At the fifth level is Dar Alakir, which translates to the home of the hereafter. This level is for those who constantly prioritize the hereafter over the temporary pleasures of the dunya, worldly life. The Quran emphasizes that those who devoted their lives to serving Allah, maintaining their prayers, and upholding the truth will be rewarded here. In Dar Alakir, the believers will experience unimaginable luxuries, along with the satisfaction of having pleased their Creator. They will be surrounded by loved ones who share their faith, enjoying companionship in eternal bliss. Level 6, Dar AlMaam. The sixth level is known as Dar AlMaam, the station of permanence. The Quran refers to this as a place where the righteous will experience eternal settlement, free from fatigue and pain. Surah Fatir highlights the rewards at this level. There will be no more worries, no more trials. The people of Dar AlMaam will have gardens, rivers, and palaces beyond their wildest dreams. This is where true believers, who are steadfast in their faith even in the most challenging times, will find their eternal reward. Level 7, AlFerdos. Finally, we reach AlFerdos, the highest and most honored level of Jannah. This is the place that every believer aspires to reach. It is mentioned in Surah Al-Kahf that those who enter AlFerdos will be closest to Allah's throne. The inhabitants here will enjoy the greatest pleasures, with rivers of pure water, milk, honey, and non-intoxicating wine flowing beneath them. AlFerdos is reserved for those who not only believed, but also excelled in good deeds, charity, and worship. Here, believers will have the ultimate joy of seeing Allah, which is the greatest reward of all. These descriptions of the 7 levels of Jannah serve as a powerful reminder that the rewards of the hereafter are far greater than anything the dunya can offer. While the specifics of Jannah are beyond human comprehension, what is clear is that it is a place of eternal peace, joy, and fulfillment for those who have remained faithful to Allah. The journey through these levels of Jannah shows us that the effort we put into our faith, our deeds, and our devotion will not go unnoticed. Allah's mercy is vast, and His rewards are beyond what we can imagine. Let this be a motivation for all of us to strive harder, pray with sincerity, and live a life that brings us closer to Allah. May we all be among those who are granted the highest levels of Jannah, and may we be blessed to see the face of our Creator in AlFerdos. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on Islamic teachings. What level of Jannah would you strive for? Share your thoughts in the comments below. May Allah guide us all to the highest levels of Jannah. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more inspiring content. Assalamu alaikum.